Yo, there's scorpions here. This board should also note that this is skinwalker country. Look at how cool this is. Yo, this is the first time in my life I've ever actually seen a wild cactus. Ow! I hear like coyotes or something. Your mind plays tricks on you here. You think you hear dogs or people, but it's just the wind. So this homie is that homie. Dinosaur. This is exactly where that skeleton was found, which is super cool. Look at that tail, bro. And then you're like right back on the plains again. Red Deer River. Just having a good old tire fire. I think it's raining over there, then it's clear sky, and then there's like this big straight cloud. So this is Hannah, the hometown of Nickelback. I went way out of my way to see this, and there's not really a lot here. I made it to Drumheller. Didn't really plan this, just kind of winged it.